Welcome to softwaretechit.com. Today's topic is buttons, all types of buttons. We are learning today simple button, image button, toggle button, radio button and checkbox button in this video. Let's start. Now first we are learning about buttons. Buttons are used for opening new activity, displaying message and more. Buttons are created using text or icons. Here is a sample code. Now image button, displaying button, image on button. Buttons by default image button looks like a regular button, but we are changed that using image src, image button or image view settings. Now toggle buttons. Toggle buttons are like on, off, true, false and more. Toggle buttons is used for switch in setting. Checkbox. Now checkbox buttons are select one or multiple from the list. It will be mostly used in a quiz and setting apps. The checkbox button is mostly we use to check multiple options. Now learn radio buttons. Radio buttons are if we want to choose true or false, or choose from list one from the list we given in the Android. It will be use radio button. Radio button also used to select one or option. That's for today. Thank you. Meet you next video.